Copy.
We are confirming this is a suspect.
We haven't said it's occupied by 3. Passenger in the rear has got a gray hoodie. Passengers in the front, black hoodie. Still southbound, speed 40.
31, we're overhead. I can call it if you want. We're southbound Lakemont, approaching 171st. Looks like we got a green light there. Going to continue southbound through Lakemont. Looks like traffic's yielding on the oncoming lanes, just past Village Park Drive, continuing southbound.
Lucas, you guys back off a little bit. Let Guardian 1 call it and see if we can't get him to stop somewhere. One boy, copy. One boy to the units in the front. Just back off a little bit. Give him a little space. See what he does.
Okay, Guardian 1, looks like he slowed down a little bit.
Slowing down.
Guardian 1, looks like he slowed down a little bit. Still southbound on Lakemont, about the 5500 block.
Radio, see if Newcastle can set spikes on Newcastle Golf Club Road, please.
Okay, Guardian 1, southbound passing Southeast 58th. Looks like his car is smoking really bad. Looks like, I think, it's like one or both tires in the rear are gone.
We do have K9, right? If they bail.
S3K98, affirm, I'm on my way there.
Guardian 1 passing Southeast 62nd.
Keep in mind, they're armed and dangerous. Be careful. There's a lot of smoke. You can't really see what's going on.
Guardian 1 passing Cougar Mountain Way, still southbound. Car's smoking real good. Slowing down. Guardian 1, I've got no traffic at the moment. Nice and light. Are you guys authorized to pit at all?
Negative.
Received. I'm still southbound Lakemont. We'll call it the 6700 block. No traffic.
Radio, if Newcastle got spikes anywhere on the Golf Club Road, we're approaching their jurisdiction.
We're on the phone with the county now.
We're not there.
Okay, Guardian 1, he's approaching the curve near the Newcastle Golf Course. Let's see if he makes his turn. Yeah, looks like he's going to make it through the curve. Still southbound, we'll call it Newcastle Golf Club Road now. The road kind of turns more to the west. Going pretty slow. Traffic appears to be yielding. We're coming up to 155th Avenue, westbound Newcastle Golf Club. Okay, he's making the next right here, going in. Looks like we're getting ready to bail. Okay, I got the driver. Driver's bailing out. Driver's wearing like a brown shirt. And looks like they're bailing into the woods. Go straight off the nose of the car into the woods there. Get K9 here. I got 2 on my camera right now. I'm sticking with the driver at the moment. I don't know where the third person went. Looks like they're going through the woods into the creek. It looks like they're going to be running basically northbound through the woods there. I can't get on my map right now, but if we get somebody to start setting perimeter around that, that would be good to contain them.
What do you want? Stand by. We got one in the car in the back of the vehicle. Two or three took off down the trail.
Okay, I got the other 2. You guys handle your stop. Do you want me to quit calling it then?
7.20, they are northbound towards Coal Creek Parkway.
Yep, they're on the Coal Creek Trail in the woods. I got 2 on site in my camera. Do you want me to stop calling it, or what do you want me to do here?
Keep calling.
Okay, so I need somebody out on Coal Creek Parkway, help contain these guys. Looks like they're trying to go to ground. Okay, Guardian 1, they've gone to ground. I've got 2 on the ground at Coal Creek Trail. They're right in the bottom of that trail, the bed there. Let's get K9 there. Let's get containment out on Coal Creek Parkway.
We got 1 detained at the vehicle. Vehicle code 4. 7.20 to Guardian. If you see me walking, how close am I to them?
132, can we start setting up traffic control on Lakefront, shut it down in Forest, and then shut it down at Newcastle Golf Course Road, by the course?
Guardian 1, roger.
7.20, I can hear movement. Guardian, are they doing anything?
Nothing, no big broad movements. They're just still there. They may be burrowing down a little bit.
We can do that, mate. We can hear your announcements up towards Forest, so it's going that loud and clear.
Guardian 1, you guys are pointed right at them. I think there may be like a down tree or just some brush just on the other side of or they're just on the other side of that from you guys. But you guys are pointing right at them, looking right towards them. Guardian 1, they're still climbing up to officers, appear to be compliant. Guardian 1, they're detaining 1, still compliant. I got the other one, he's got his hands on his head.
One boy, 1 out of 2 detained. Guardian, can you recheck the area and see if you see any hot spots down where they were?
Well, I only saw 2 go in there. Are you concerned about another person?
Oh, just checking.
I do have the hot spot where they're laying if you guys want to check for any evidence there.
Okay, you want to let me know when I'm close?